doesn't this meal look absolutely gorgeous? Oh.
Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going food shopping and I'm going to be showing you how I make my chicken dinner. This chicken dinner is the dinner that I make all the time. Like when I mean all the time, I make it very frequently to the point that my boyfriend said that it's going to be going from my head one day. So we're going to be going to get ingredients for that. But apart from that, I am actually just going to be going to do my bi-weekly shopping. So I live alone. I can't buy food in bulk. I actually like go shopping like every 2 weeks. And usually in the middle of the month, I'm not getting anything major. I'm getting chicken, I'm getting potatoes, I'm getting veggies, raw items that you want to buy fresh. That is the kind of thing that I'm going to go and buy today. But the first thing and the most necessary thing for me to get is chicken. Jesus Christ. Chicken thighs are damn expensive now. So these are the issues I'm dealing with. I'm trying to calculate and figure out what I'm gonna get. 3, 6, 4, 7, 5,000. I think I'm just gonna go with this one. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. The price of everything is so damn wild. Everything is so damn expensive these days. I need to get stir fry for my Asian sauce that I want to make. I'm just gonna get some pork stir fry. Oh, I got something before I started recording and forgot. Yogurt. I got a 1 liter pack of yogurt. I love Zayef yogurt. Best yogurt I've had. Do I need any veggies? Yes, I need bell peppers. I have the list, but it's on my phone and I'm recording with my phone. So I'm just gonna hope my memory is good. Remember everything I need. Oh, I do need onions, that's true. I'm trying to find a prettier pack of bell peppers because some of them are pretty ugly looking. See, these ugly bell peppers are 1.6. These shiny ones are 5K. I think we can use this one. I got 1 yellow, 2 green, 2 red. I also need onions. 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 Yeah, onions. No, onions are on this side. I have secured the bag. I don't need to weigh this. Do I need to weigh this? Alright, thank you. Yeah, I don't need to weigh this. Okay. What else do I need for dinner today? Oh yes, I need soy sauce. That's actually pretty important. It's an important and vital part of my dinner. I've been looking for the sauce aisle. Now I found it. Yes, soy sauce. So this is the soy sauce I am getting. But I also want to get this one, the sweet Thai chili sauce. It's so good. I really like the sauce. I told you guys, just a really light basket. Nothing too major. I think I just have like 1 or 2 more things I want to get.
A few moments later.
Okay, I saw this chili garlic sauce and now I'm thinking, should I go for chili garlic or should I go for sweet chili? Sweet Thai chili is more sweet than spicy and I think I want to try something new. So I'm gonna just take this one and try it out. Tissue, yes. I need toilet tissue. I have a talent. Okay, no, I'm gonna drop these. I actually need to go back to the veggie area because I'm actually to get potatoes. I'm walking by the ice cream and I'm like, no ice cream, Diala. I've actually been doing my best to be healthy. So, potatoes secured. They're not all that great. I'm just gonna get one of those bags so I can pick the perfect potatoes. Shit. I really injured myself here. As I pick the perfect potatoes, I started really consuming a bunch of protein, and that is because like I've started doing like more than yoga. I've started doing glute workouts as well. Well, not just glute, but glute and lower body, hamstrings, calves, and stuff. And I found like the advice you always read that they always tell you is that you should always consume protein because protein is like what will build your muscles up and make them bigger and stronger. Some of these potatoes need maybe not to go to the gym but not to be on display. Thanks a bunch. What's left? I think that's everything. Oh yes, I said I want to spring onions. They don't have mushrooms. I wanted to get a can of mushrooms, but I will get spring onions if they have them. Ooh, lemons, okay. I love a good lemon. No spring onions. I just want spring onions. Or I used to get these salad mixes, but damn, they're not really expensive. Half used to cost 1.5. Now it costs almost 3,000 naira. These are the salads I'm talking about. I used to really get them and love them, but like yeah, prices of things don't increase. So that's it. Let's go. Shopping bags and one KFC bag. Oopsie. Let's put this stuff away and get ready for today's dinner. I'm very excited. First, I'm gonna put my lunch away. I got KFC for lunch. It's so hilarious how I was going on about like, oh yeah, I'm eating healthier now, more protein, and then I get KFC for lunch. But the idea isn't that I am healthy all the time, because you know we are human beings with range. We are not one thing all the time, are we? No, we're not. Bell peppers. This is part of tonight's dinner, but I don't need them now. And we got our potatoes. I need a basket for potatoes because I learned that if you put potatoes and onions in the same container, it actually like fucks them up. But I learned that, and then it made sense why my potatoes were always going bad so fast. Like the way my potatoes used to go bad used to be like insane. And then I found that out and I was like, fuck, I should have known this since. Those are the kind of things they actually need to teach people. I think I'm gonna do a series called Living on Your Own 101, where I'm gonna talk or break down the things that a young adult should know when they're moving out of their parents' house. Stuff like that I should have been taught.
And my microphone died. This little clip-on mic that you see right here is one of the most annoying pieces of technology that I own. The fact that whenever it dies, it doesn't even give you like a signal or anything is so annoying. I'm just here talking on and on and on. Anyway, I just put the rest of my groceries away and I put together my chicken marinade for my dinner. So let's go watch that.
So you guys should be seeing the chicken. I've rinsed this and I've added soy sauce already. And now I'm going to add oyster sauce. I'm going to be adding honey, ketchup. Yes, ketchup. It adds a tanginess to it. I swear to you, it makes a difference. I only have white vinegar, so let's just go with that. Just a splash. Then we're gonna add our seasonings, which are going to include a little salt because we did put a bit of soy sauce and oyster sauce, and that's gonna add a little bit of umami saltiness, so just a tiny bit of salt. Red chili flakes, these are importante in my opinion, very important. Cinnamon, yes, I always add cinnamon to all my chicken. And then of course we're gonna add some herbs. This is fresh basil from my garden. I raised this basil and now it is giving me lots of love in return. Now we have our chicken ready to be mixed. This is a lot of marinade, but I do like to have a lot of marinade because I'm a sauce girl. I love sauces. Is it weird that I taste my marinades? No, I don't think so. It's not spicy enough. The balance right now is leaning salt and umami forward. The sweetness is not even there like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add dried chili peppers. Did I say dried chili peppers? Well, dried chili powders. I'm gonna be adding dried chili powders. Powder? English. But yes, I want this to be sweet, salty, spicy, the perfect mix. Actually, I have to also remember that I did add dried chili flakes. Once the heat activates the dried food and it cooks, it's gonna release more of that spice flavor. Now let's taste it one more time. All right, yeah, that's good, that's good. The last ingredient is optional, but if you have it, it's great. Sesame oil. I always add the oil after the marinade because for me, and this is how it works in my head, I don't know if it does work like that, the oil coats the marinade on top of the chicken, so the marinade really enters into the chicken and really stays on top of it.
It's a little bit past 7 and it's time for me to make dinner. First thing we gotta do is switch on my baby right here.
The baby I am talking about is, of course, my air fryer, oven, dehydrator, pizza grill all-in-one combo. I got it from this Instagram account called Everything Dishes, and it has so many functions. I can toast bread, air fry, bake, make biscuits, grill, pizza, dehydrate stuff, which I've done so many times, and warm. The warm function is really slow, but it does warm the food. It's much longer than a microwave, I will say. Dehydrate works so well. I use it to dehydrate oregano, dehydrate basil, and yeah, I love it. I love my baby. I love my baby right here. So I'm gonna put on the air fry function and pre-warm. While this is pre-warming, we're gonna prep the chicken. Got my foil paper on my tray and I have put some butter and oil to lubricate it. And now I have my chicken from the fridge. Get out. There you go. So we have a little bit of that marinade left over. Don't worry, we're gonna use it for the veggies. That's the sound that lets me know the air fryer is ready. So let's take this to the air fryer. So this is gonna go in here. It's 195 degrees and it's about to start for 25 minutes. In the meantime, as this is going down, we are gonna be prepping the veggies. The veggies that I use for my chicken dinner can vary depending on what's available. I have some leftover mushrooms, I have garlic, ginger, I have my bell peppers that we bought today. I have a lemon for some acidity, and I also have some pickled hot peppers. So I am just going to assemble the things that we have out. So that's the mushrooms. I'm gonna take a little bit of some of that garlic, a little bit of ginger. The rest of the stuff I have to cut and prep. Onions. I love eating onions. I love having chunky onions. I love eating cooked onions. I just love them. I just love them. That is just who I am. My knife is so blunt. I need to get better knives. I need to upgrade a bunch of kitchen stuff. My knives are like on their last leg. I probably need to get a new chopping board because it's already splitting apart. I thought getting a wooden chopping board would be fun and bougie, but it's not. Please excuse my knife and my onion chopping skills. I'm not an expert. But I found this is the best way to chop onions, especially when I want to eat a meal like this. I didn't do the thing that I usually do, which is this solid trick I've been using for like years now, so that onions don't hurt my eyes. I chop it in half, remove the top and the bottom, and then I put it in the fridge for at least 20 minutes. When you're cutting an onion open, onion is releasing a chemical to irritate your eyes. It's supposed to do that to help against like predators, you know. The onion wants to stay alive. It doesn't want anyone to eat it up, basically. So when you put it in the fridge, basically almost flash freezing the chemical. So when you chop it and you slice it, it doesn't hurt your eyes because, you know, the moisture has been basically, it's frozen, almost frozen. I wouldn't say it's completely frozen, but almost frozen. All this time that I've been talking, I have just sliced the onions. I have sliced the hot peppers. I love fermented peppers. They add I said fermented. I love pickled peppers, especially hot peppers like this. They add a wonderful zing to your meals. Now I am chopping the bell peppers. I have 1 tomato plant, 2 bell pepper plants. I have mint and I have oregano. If I'm able to successfully do the tomato and the bell peppers, I would love to be able to grow onions, garlic. I think I can figure some of those other ones out. I think I can figure out spring onions out. I can definitely figure out spring onions. Almost done with all the chopping. This is the most annoying part of this thing, all this chopping. Whatever you want to put in this veggie mix is totally up to you. You can put carrots, you can put broccoli, any veggies you want. These are mine of choice. Also gonna add some lemon juice. Slice that in half. I'm not gonna add a lot of lemon juice. Just gonna add a little bit of it. And then I am gonna put some lemon zest. Now remember when I said I'm gonna save that marinade liquid? Yes. I'm gonna pour the rest of it into our veggies. And then of course we need to make sure it has its own flavoring and taste. So I'm gonna add a pinch of salt, just a pinch, some black pepper. I'm gonna add a pinch of red chili flakes, a pinch of oregano, and last but not least, a pinch of basil, freshly dried basil. I actually do not know what to call this. This is just my veggie mix for my chicken. This needs to sit and the flavor needs to, they need to become friends. Currently, the chicken has 13 more minutes, but once the chicken reaches 10 minutes, I'm gonna pull out the chicken and add the veggies into the tray, and the remaining 10 minutes will be used to cook the chicken and cook the veggies.
1 nap later.
Alright, the chicken is almost cooked. Almost. You look at this and think it's cooked, but if you actually bite into it, it's a little bit raw on the inside. So now I am adding our veggies, and now I'm gonna just move the chicken and then move the veggies here.
5 minutes later.
The time is up and my dinner is ready. This is my dinner. A bell pepper melody, I would say, with a side of chicken in a beautiful Asian inspired marinade, and I am very excited. You can see some of the veggies are a little charred. I like myself some charred veggies. Moment of truth. How does everything taste? Get myself a bell pepper and onion. It tastes good. Let's try that chicken. Look at that chicken. So juicy, so flavorful. Look at that glaze on the chicken. It's so pretty. I really love bell peppers. I love grilled, seasoned, well grilled, raw seasoned. These were in the oven for only 10 minutes, so they're still a little raw, but they're still cooked. Perfect. I can taste some heat from the pickled chili, then the red pepper flakes as well. Thank you for joining me today as I went shopping and I made dinner. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something new. Do not forget to grill the subscribe button so that you can keep seeing this beautiful face on YouTube. Do not forget to marinate the notification bell so that you will always have notifications whenever I upload a new video. And last but not the least, do not forget to chop the like button so that you can like this video and let the YouTube algorithm know that this video is awesome. Do not forget to be awesome, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.